Welcome all to today's offline class on Lokpal for Administrative Law. This is Dr. K. Sangeeta. The word Lokpal is derived from the Sanskrit word Loka meaning people and Pala meaning protector or caretaker. Together it means protector of people. The aim of passing of such a law is to eradicate corruption in all levels of Indian polity. First one was in 1968 by Mr. Shanti Bhushan. It was passed in Lok Sabha but could not pass Rajya Sabha even after repeated introduction of it in the following years in 1971, 77, 1985, 1989, 1996, 1998, 2001, 2005 and 2008. Finally, even after 42 years of introduction, the bill is in the very same place. Public servants can be prosecuted under the provision of IPC, CRPC, Prevention of Corruption Act of 1988 and the impeachment procedure as per the Constitution of India. When you see, Lokpal is an act of the central level and Lok Ayukta at the state level. The defect is set procedures are, it was required by the investigating authority to get prior permission from the government or the court before initiating any action against the public servant. Lokpal provides for filing complaints of corruption against all the public servants including the Prime Minister, the judges in the Supreme Court and other courts and also MPs. It shall have the power of an ombudsman. As the Administrative Reform Commission has pointed it out, the introduction, existence of such bill, law would remove the sense of injustice from the minds of adversely affected citizens and also would instill public confidence in efficiency of the administrative machinery. It shall be 3-member body with the Chief Justice of India or the Supreme Court judges as a chairperson and 2 other members who are High Court judges. Only anyone can expect a public servant can file a complaint. It is meant to be speedy process, hence the investigation and the related process shall be completed within a span period of 6 months. It will be an autonomous body with independent functionality and need not seek any prior permission to initiate proceeding against any official. If found guilty, the punishment shall range from the period of 5 years to 7 years. It is a draft anti-corruption bill drawn by prominent civil society activists known as India Against Corruption, drafted by Justice Santosh Hegde, Advocate Bharat Bhushan and Arvind Kejriwal. Many other well-known people are a part of IAC. They referred the bill as an expression of collective anger of people of India against corruption. So the Jan Lokpal was drafted with the aim to create an effective deterrent against corruption for more transparency and accountability. The salient features of Jan Lokpal: Lokpal to be established in the center and Lokayuktas at the centers at the states. All the public servants shall come under its purview. The Lokpal shall be as independent as the other 3 wings of the government so as to avoid any shortcomings.